We are doing a hide and seek. It's a new company. Hiding spots like up here.
Okay, I'm gonna.
You have 5 minutes. 5 minutes.
How about we change it to the tag version?
Yeah, hide and seek tag. Wait, it's all a secret. Okay, so
I'm coming to.
here's the secret. Just gonna follow. I actually, whenever I was looking around, I didn't see why they didn't do that.
Oh, found you.
It's a tag version though.
Oh yeah.
Oh, you have a nice juke.
Oh,
You're gonna need it. Stinky again?
got you.
Yeah.
Okay. So just go into that area right there.
Go to.
Just
Travel
go hang out
stage
in that house in there. Just go hang out in
Then
that
stage
house.
one.
Go
Wait.
hang out in stage
If
one.
you
Go
get
hang out.
If you get found in tag,
Go to stage
go to.
one.
Wait, I thought we had 2 lives though.
Yeah, but it's for each game.
Oh.
Where are you at? Yeah, I'm just gonna walk around.
Okay.
Could I just be like a.
Grapple around this like stadium.
Anybody?
Too many.
If they were in here, you would be able to find them instantly.
Oh yeah, true.
Cause like there's not much space to hide. Where'd he go?
They're here, behind you.
Let's try to see where everybody waiting at. And I'm not. I just want to see what they're hiding.
Behind the door? Like, oh.
There's no way to stage. Okay, I was about to say if somebody was hiding inside of stage 5.
God, you got the jukes.
Two minutes left.
Oh my god. There has to be someone in here.
Wait, hold on.
Oh.
One minute left.
Ooh, wait.
Oh, maybe someone up here.
Wait. The gold spot. I see somebody.
Where's the other person?
Yeah, I went to.
You and the other person.
Here, I'll give it back.
Have you sunk in him yet?
No, I
It's the
haven't.
tag version.
Yo. Bro's fast like.
Yo,
Where did bro go? Oh, he.
Yo, I'm not one of the seekers. I'm not one of the seekers. They are.
where are you? Come out. Stage 7.
No.
Where are you, stage 7? Yo, look. Behind here, there's a
Oh my
spot.
god.
Okay.
Tag
I
him,
watched
tag
you
him.
guys. Bro, Brown was right near me, and I thought he like found me because he was looking.
Yeah,
at the
you wanna know where my hiding spot was? Here, let me show you.
Yeah, Dean. Everybody go to the central. Everybody go back to spawn.
So, wait, who won? Who won?
Everybody go.
Okay.
Go back to
Okay,
spawn, everybody.
What do you think the dude at the
Did the
street
hiders
got-
or the seekers win?
No, the hiders won because two of them
The
were still
hiders
living.
Okay. So the winners were you
You're just running around.
and you. Yeah.
No, it's just the hiders. Like, it's
Alright,
just.
guys.
I'm a cor-
No.
I don't have the
Okay.
bow jump.
Yeah, he doesn't even have
Tego,
it.
come here.
I just got skills.
Tego.
So that's allowed.
Come.
I can't turn it off.
Okay, Tego, stand here. Okay? I'm gonna count down from 5. Okay? Everybody stand where I'm standing.
Oh. Wait.
Since you're big, you can only use one hand. Dang.
I don't think that's gonna make a difference.
Okay.
It's not real.
game. Alright. You're gonna be stinky. Where'd Brown go?
Yo, Brown, come back. It ended.
Oh.
Yeah, we stopped.
Okay.
Yo, whoa!
Alright, I cannot afford to lose and I only have 2 lives right now. So yeah. I'm not going to put you on third
Text
person
tree
this
upgrade.
time since
I know, I have it too.
it looks better on
How can I
first person
turn
than
it off?
third
Go
person.
on to
I mean,
settings,
definitely
go
not
on to
selfie.
control, and then press double jump. Turn it
Can't
off.
you
Okay,
also
everybody,
turn off
line
your
line up against this wall.
I didn't
I don't have double jump. Okay, I just everybody have line up against this wall.
Stinky.
Line up against the wall.
Stinky.
But you're gonna have to go
You're stinky.
5 seconds,
You stinky.
10 seconds before them.
Me?
I mean after them. So they go first and then you go. Okay, make me stinky. Okay, everybody line up. So, how we're gonna play this is when this light's on, that means green light, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Can I go now? You can go.
Can I go now?
How about you?
Can I go?
Yeah.
Here, how about you go all the way over to that other
Yeah. I mean, I can just pretty easily get to you. I don't see him.
Dang.
That's how quick I am, bro. I told you I'm quick with it.
Okay.
I am.
I want this
I'm-
stinky.
Did
I
you
want the
see how
stinky.
fast I was? Did you see?
You
Yeah.
won that.
But how can't you just, dude? Can't you just
What, is it
disable
because
the
I
big
was
mode?
last?
I can't. This is not. You can't.
Well, no
say-
matter what,
I
you're
didn't
gonna do it,
unlock
guys,
it.
'cause you-
It is the thing
you
that you get
unlocked
from circuits. It's infinite until you die.
Okay.
Then
So,
bye.
everybody, this is the final game. Okay,
You just made us
take
think
this
the
back.
answer's
Take
magic.
this back.
Alright, so I'm
Do
gonna
not use it.
Okay. Wait, where am I supposed
Just put it in your stash.
Put it in the blender.
Wait,
Wait, give me the bag. Give me the
No,
bag.
put the bag.
Yeah, you can hold my lives. You can hold my lives.
Okay, so everybody, put a teleport grenade. Activate the teleport
I won't
grenade
use
and
the
then put
laser
it in
for
my
it. Okay,
bag.
I won't use the laser for it.
In your bag?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Where are we going?
Wait here.
Okay.
Are you supposed to get a weapon or something?
No, no weapons.
Okay, so I'll put it back in my bag. I'm gonna use glow sticks.
Bye, bye.
I'm gonna
Yeah.
use glow sticks.
Bro,
Guys,
I
I don't need to
cannot
grab
afford
the
to lose.
Guys, look. Oh, dang, you still got 3 lives.
Huh?
You're stinky.
You still
I
got
only have 1
I
life left.
have 2, I'm good.
I got
How
3.
much life?
And I was like, guys, did you see me? I was zooming.
Probably
Yeah, I
because
think
you're
we
big.
just die.
No, it's not. It's actually mostly because I have infinite company rations.
You bought it and
Then-
did it?
No, I didn't eat it. It's
I'm not gonna be
infinite.
big
It's
forever,
a thing that
so
you
it's
can
fine.
get from circus. It lasts forever, and dude, it gets me super. Yeah, let's play It tag. also,
Yo,
it
Matt,
also makes me
Matt.
faster.
Then just deactivate it. Whoa, why you big?
You should
ate
play
broccoli.
tag.
He ate broccoli. I didn't. I'm infinite.
Yo, guys.
Yeah, I'm
They
gonna.
they're
No, but if
vegetables.
somebody kills you, you're gonna be small. Unless they
No. It's only if I revive. If somebody kills me and they revive me, I'm still gonna be big, and I'll have all my abilities. Like
Then
super
die
speed
and respawn.
and infinite. like super speed and infinite, like this.
Oh.
Hey, you
showing you.
hey, you know what? You
Hey
wanna know
guys,
what
if I
trick
get
to go
teleported
even farther?
randomly, that's because of him. I mean, I'll
Right
get
as you fart, like, go into your setting, go into controls.
I
turn on
basically
smooth
have
turn.
one
Yeah,
life,
I'm already doing some turns.
and yeah,
Oh, you're already doing that smooth turn parts?
and I cannot afford to lose this last game. Yeah.
Hey.
Oh, hey.
Yeah. Hey. I think he's gonna die.
Yeah, I probably am, but I hope I survive,
Whoa.
which I probably am not. Hey! Hey,
Got
yo!
booty. Your camera got booty, bro.
Anyways,
I just thought this thing got. Why does this thing got cheeks?
Dude. Wait. Oh my god.
Yo,
You're gigantic.
yo, you cannot make this up.
and
I
I'm
know
stable.
you're
Oh
making
my
it up.
gosh.
I know you're making it up.
God. Pogo
Put it on
fight.
the goop. Put it on the goop.
And why do you need aliens? Okay.
Pogo fight.
Let's
That one
play this
Pogo
game.
fight.
When I say start,
No.
when I say start,
Oh, there we go.
we're gonna run to the lens and try and grab it.
Okay.
Oh.
Everybody stand
Everybody stand on the same
side.
same
Wait.
side as no this
You're gonna overjump. You're gonna overjump.
Yeah, I'm about to do that.
Yo, this is so unfair.
I mean,
Okay,
is he
everybody
just
on
gonna
this
be out of the
side.
game?
right beside
This
me.
one?
You're still
Right
gonna
beside me.
overjump. Like
Wait,
I can't just
except
grab it
Lou,
like that.
you're
but
gonna be
On top of the rocket ship.
yeah, you're gonna be on top of the rocket ship.
that might be even easier.
You're gonna be on
You
it.
just fall.
Okay, dude, not that close.
Just
He's gonna
light
get
ball.
there, yes.
Hug.
Not that close.
Stand
Oh yeah,
all
you
of
need
these
to be.
people. Hug, stand beside all of these people.
We need to be quick
Okay.
for this last game since my headset's low.
Yeah.
Jake.
Okay, so
Why is
when I
there just
say
a revolver here?
when I say start, you're gonna run to the thing and try and grab it, and you pick one person to knock off. I don't care how many lives you have left. If you get hit off, you're out.
Oh,
Okay.
So we could technically
Y'all are
just
gonna
run
immediately pick me.
around.
Start. Pick one person.
Alright. Let's see. Oh, so I just have to chase him so I can knock him off?
Pick
I'm not knocking you off,
somebody to knock
Bug. Don't worry, I'm not knocking you off.
Okay, okay. We are so lucky we didn't get knocked off.
Why?
I'm sorry.
It's impossible to run away from you.
Okay, put the fence back.
It's kinda not
Back.
fair. Like actually, we can't.
Yeah, this is fair.
okay,
I'll give
Give
everybody
everybody else.
But the winner,
Because like,
the winner
Yeah,
gets
this
the
isn't
best
fair.
prize.
It won't goop. It won't goop to it.
Hug, do it.
like, should I have just run for the revolver and just shot him?
Oh, then that would be cheating.
No.
And you would probably lose all your lives.
Wait, what do you mean no?
Alright, let's just go
Well,
ahead
there's
and
just a revolver, but it's
Okay,
empty.
wait, everybody, wait. Okay, start.
Okay, put down.
Put down the lance, Blue. Put down the
Wait,
lance.
why?
Because you've got it way many. You've
Okay,
got it twice.
okay, so I just have to
Okay,
run
somebody
around?
else get it. No, line up again. Line up again.
Oh.
Everybody line up again, but Blue, you cannot get the lance.
Just run around, dude. Honestly, we can't even catch you, so.
Okay, so start.
Oh my gosh.
Wait, so I can. Now, Orange, I know you're behind there.
Oh, mommy.
Oh, wait, what?
Dude!
Yo, Blue! Blue! Like, Blue! Hey, why are you using bots,
That
man?
was an accident. That was an accident.
Wait,
Accident.
Did he hit somebody?
Yeah, it actually was. I actually
Yo,
did.
how are you?
Let's see what you
What about Pug?
Yeah, we can't even hit him.
Orange. You know Pug's
I
abortion
think
too.
it's kinda
No,
invincible.
I had to
Okay,
find
you know what?
somebody
Since
else.
this is taking too long, 2 revolvers.
let's go!
I'm joking. There's 3 revolvers.
I got him! I got Blue! I got Blue. I got you, bro.
Okay, Blue, you're out.
Rematch.
What do you mean rematch?
Wait, dude, we smacked.
Dude.
How come?
Okay, give me the gun back.
How come we smacked Orange or Brown and he was still in? How's that work?
He's not in.
No. Okay, well, how come he was playing? He was playing.
He can still
Huh?
play.
No.
He's just not in. You're gonna still. Everybody's
How does
gonna
that
get a
work?
prize,
Bro, I hit you
but the winner gets the best prize. But if everybody just ignores Pug doesn't get a
Hey,
prize.
Brad, can I smack Orange off? He's being so annoying because he's bragging. He's literally bragging.
He's actually not bragging.
Huh?
He's
This guy?
bragging.
I just said that I hit you. Not trying to
He's
brag.
bragging.
Should I buy something? I got
No.
2 crystals.
Okay,
What can I buy?
Research points are actually called that.
start.
Medics.
Yeah, I know, but I
Try and grab the lance.
think I'm gonna try to save up for the umbrella.
And timer 2 guns.
Oh, guns?
Anybody can get them.
Oh,
I
wait.
gotta go.
Can I
Keep up
shoot?
playing. You can shoot me if you want.
Whoopee!
Just you remember what goes through my body when you kill me.
I mean, I'm gonna save up the bullets
No,
then.
he's not playing, Pug.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
They ain't gonna attack me though.
Yo, what can I do
Where's
with this
Blue?
gun? What do I do with this gun?
Shoot him.
You shoot them.
Oh,
I think that's
You only
kinda
can shoot
unfair.
once. You can only shoot once.
oh shoot,
Yeah, you
my
give
bad.
us a.
Okay, you can only shoot once.
I didn't know.
Okay. It's okay.
You said
Run.
You can only shoot
Hmm.
once, okay? Okay, and continue.
If
You will get out. Well, actually, you can gun.
Alright, I'm gonna have to end the video here since, like, my headset die in the middle.
okay, so wait, quickly.
You're gonna just get knocked off, okay?
Dang!
Bye, guys.
Who just went? Die!